Thank you.
Atongoria a kanitha, atongoria a kaunti hamwe na muingi wa kaunti ya Nyandarua mekũgwamanĩte taũni-inĩ ya Olkalau gũtabania mahoya ma kaunti. Nĩ mahoya mokĩte ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa kaunti ĩno ĩrahonia ironda cia ngucanio iria ciĩrĩga gatagati ka ũtongoria wa kaunti ĩno. Atongoria nĩ meranĩire kwaga gũcokia kaunti ĩno irima-inĩ rĩrĩa ĩrarĩ na meruhiria muingi ciĩranĩro iria meranĩire.
There's a lot of work to do to fulfill the expectation of our people for development. Our people need roads, water, healthcare, gainful agriculture, the youth need jobs.
We are sure, the people of this county, that we are going to serve you with honesty, transparency, accountability, the rule of law, and dignity for our people.
Spika wa kaunti ya Nyandarua Ndegwa Wahome augite no meguthii na mbere na kugitira utonga wa muingi na matikaga kwanirira mona maundu makihingicana.
As an assembly, as the oversight authority, we are going to any level to ensure that transparency, accountability, and the rule of law is upheld, because that is our mandate.
Mahoya maya matongoririo ni mufia wa kanitha wa Gatoreki Dominic wa Mugunda uria utitirithitie bata wa muingi guikarania na thayu.
Peace in Nyandarua starts with you. You as a person, not because you are a leader, not because you are elected, not because you are in leadership, no. Because you are an individual and because you are a person and because you are a worthy citizen of this country.
Uyu ni mwaka wa gatatu kuma riria kaunti ya Nyandarua yambiririe gutabania mahoya ma kaunti. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.